This schematic can be prepared to simulate our inverter. So press Shift I. We need to insert V source. Okay. Also, we need to insert VDD. Okay. And ground. Okay. Finally, code shown. Okay. We can select code also, but we need shown to see everything alright. Okay. All of these, we will need to duplicate them. So by pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl V, we have two of them. Okay. This can be moved here, and this moved here. This can be moved here, here. Okay. Finally, we need to insert our symbol by pressing current directory, inverter symbol, click OK, and here is our inverter. So we need to edit these properties. So for this, we will need to press Q and make the value 3.3 to be our VDD. This, we'll need to remove this and put this double quotes and make it false. Sorry, false from 0 to 3.3 volt, 100 pico delay time, 1550 pico rise time, hold time, full switch, and the period. Okay, as you see here. Okay, we need to edit this code and make the value double quotes dot control save all to save all currents and voltages for each node. Tran for transient analysis 3 pico to 600 pico. This is our increment, and this is a whole simulation runtime. We need to plot in and out, which will be labeling our wires. Finally, .nc. Okay. Now we need to insert some conditions here, which simply we can copy it from here. Q, take all of these, can select them, Control C, okay, back here, select all of these, Control V, okay, this can be called ngspice. Now we need to wire everything. Pressing W, W, okay. Now we need to insert wire label from Shift I, Home, Devices. We need label, clip wire, okay. Press 1 here, Control C, Control V, Alt R, here, okay. This, by pressing Q, will be in, and this will be out. Okay, we can save from here or by Control S. Now this time we can save it as env testbench. Okay, we can create our netlist, then simulate. Okay. So we forget to wire our source, so I'll wire them, save, netlist, and simulate. Now, as we see here, this is the simulation that we were looking for, and here everything's running fine. Now, we can head to layout drawing. So we can close Xscheme and Control L to start in the layout.